through the reef to start his day. A seashell shining, what's inside it slowly closes. Milo hides, a seahorse laughs, hey little guy. Milo waves as he swims by. A turtle greets him calm and slow, high five fins, then off they go into the deep. The water's dim, Milo's brave, he dives right in. A jellyfish glowing, sparkling bright, turns with big eyes, laughing light. Milo leaves the cave behind. What new wonders will he find? A mighty wreck appears so tall, fish are dancing, colors call. From the shadows shark appears, laughing wide, he calms all fears. Side by side they swim along, through the reef their friendship strong. All his friends come back to play. Milo smiles, it's a perfect day. He drifts home to coral's glow, closes his eyes soft and slow.